Hey there foodies, welcome back to my channel, Zyra's Kitchen. Today, I've got something special for you, time-saving meal prep hacks that will not only help you eat better but also reduce mealtime stress. So, let's jump right in. We all lead busy lives. That's why meal prepping is an absolute game changer. It's all about preparing multiple meals in advance, saving you time and energy, without compromising on taste or nutrition. Plus, it helps you stay on track with your diet goals. But before we dive into the hacks, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss my mouth-watering recipes and time-saving tips. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Alright, let's start with the ultimate time saver. Batch cooking. Picture this, you cook a big pot of your favorite soup or a chili and portion it out into individual servings. Freeze some, refrigerate a few for the week, and you've got delicious, home-cooked meals ready in a snap. Now, here's the kicker. Label those containers with the meal name and date so you'll never have to play guess the leftovers again. That way, you can instantly grab what you need when you need it. Saving time, saving money, and eliminating food waste. It's a win-win. Plus, you'll always have a homemade meal ready even on your busiest days. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, let's jazz up our meal prep game with something even more exciting, a themed meal prep day. Choose a theme like Mexican Monday or Asian Fusion Friday, and plan your meals accordingly. This not only adds variety to your week but also gives you something to look forward to. Trust me, it's like a mini culinary adventure every day. Prepare all the ingredients you'll need for each themed day in advance, so when it's mealtime, you can easily assemble the dishes without any hassle. It's like playing chef and having a restaurant experience right in your own home. See how fun and effortless it is to create meals with different flavors and cuisines. By doing all the prepping and planning in advance, you can enjoy stress-free and delicious meals every day of the week. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below, letting me know which hack you're most excited to try. And if you found value in this video, be sure to share it with your friends and family, because who doesn't want to eat better and stress less? Thanks for watching. And remember, when it comes to meal prep, it's all about making it work for you. So go ahead, give these hacks a try, and let's level up our meal prep game together. Until next time, stay deliciously organized. And as always, take care and happy cooking.